Did you know why God is far away from you? Because of lust, anger, and greed. Only those who have renounced lust, anger, and greed can be recognized the feet of God. These three, lust, anger, and greed, these three are renunciations. They are obstacles. It is because of them that recognitions becomes difficult. It is because of them that recognizing the feet of God becomes difficult, almost impossible. Let us to try understand these three: lust, anger, and greed. The desire to have more than what we have, not being satisfied with what we have is lust. Dissatisfactions with what we have is lust. Therefore, the desire for salvation is also lust. The desire to attain God is also lust. The desire to acquire wealth is also lust. The desire to acquire a woman or man is lust. The desire to attain God, the desire to attain salvation is also lust. The meaning of lust is simply that what we have is not enough. And akam means desireless, that what we have is more than enough. What we have is giving us ultimate satisfactions. What we have is giving us contentment. We are not only satisfied with this much, we are also elate. We are grateful for what we have receiving. The desire is dissolved. So keep in mind, there are two types of lustful peoples: the worldly and the religious. The worldly lustful person is sitting in the market. He is accumulating wealth, accumulating positions and prestige, buildings and beggar house. And there is the religious lustful person. He has become a monk, a sag, is sitting in the temple, is sitting in a monastery, but he too is lustful. The objects of his desire has changed, but the desire has not changed. Yesterday he want money, now he wants salvation. Desire is enough. And desire is a desire. What you want does not matter. As long as you want, there will be a tension. And as long there is a tension, there will be obstacles. As long as you keep asking, your eyes will remain fixed outside. As long as you are filled with desire, you will be filled with the future. Your mind will be keep racing towards tomorrow. How will you go within? Going within will happen today and now. The mind that goes outside will always be swaying in the future. That will come tomorrow will be a wavering. A desire creates the future. Desire creates the future, and the person who desireless leaves her, and now there is no future for him. This moment is enough. What is lacking in this moment? Everything is complete. You are complete. There is not be a slightest lack, but there is a desire. Then desire creates a lack. Understand this mathematics properly. The bigger the desire, the bigger the lake, the more you have asked, the bigger the beggar you will be.